It's spring. I'm going to go out and take a bike ride.
Okay, see you later.
Well, this is pretty exciting. The first ride of the year. This year. Spring at last. Now I'm going to need to get that special riding shirt on. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. Looking good, looking good. Yeah. Maybe I'll take the dog along with me and he can run alongside me. Hey, Riley. Riley. Doesn't look like he's going to go. First ride of the year. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Oh, boy. Where's that bicycle? Skis. Where's the bicycle? Where's the bicycle? Oh, there's the bicycle. Hanging on the roof. Okay, here we go. Come on, bicycle. Come on, bicycle. Come on, bicycle. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, there we go. Okay, I have my best riding shirt on. I have my riding shoes and socks. My bike is down. I'm ready to go. Come on, bicycle. Oops. Something's wrong back here. Seems to be a little low. Oh, there's no air in there. Low tire, no air. Let's see, I need to find my air pump. Where could it be? Haven't used it in a long time. No? Oh, there it is. I get this thing all hooked up, pump up this tire. Be no trouble at all. Plug this into the wall. Oh no. Okay, all pumped up, all dressed perfectly. Bike is ready. Here I go for my first spring ride. Oh no! It's raining out. First spring ride. Not bad. A little bit of rain. My nephew can do it. I can do it. Whoa! I'm back and I got chewed out by one of the neighborhood kids. Didn't wear my helmet. Bad me.